guys, welcome to the ultimate AR-10 builder's guide and to your shiny new AR-10, your 308 AR-10. No, really, this one right here. Why is that? Because we're kicking off this ultimate AR-10 builder's guide the right way. Yeah, we're still pumping out episodes for our ultimate AR-15 series, but we're so excited to bring you this 5-part AR-10 mini-series. We just had to shift gears and dive in head first into debunking the questions and the confusion surrounding the 308 big brother to our America's favorite AR-15. So the hard part is that your quote AR-10, it really isn't up to speed at being as universal or MilSpec as our AR-15, meaning you cannot just go out, buy a part labeled AR-10 and expect it to fit on your build or even on your off-the-shelf 308 like this Sig Sauer back here. So to help everyone wade through the scattered AR-10 information all around the internet, the forums, the videos, we're putting it all in one place, just like we did for the AR-15 enthusiasts out there. And if you've seen an episode of that one, you know what you're in for here. All right, so how does this loosely fitted AR-10 here and everything around it, some things you don't see yet, how does this end up living in your safe at home? Follow along while we build this out and you might end up being the proud new papa, proud new mama of this $1,500 plus AR-10 build. So what do you say? Come along for the 308 AR-10 ride. It's only 5 episodes, but the time it will save you from having to look up all this crap on your own and still probably not find the clear answer, that time you will not get back. So the first episode starts right over here, or we'll start right over here. Why an AR-10? And trust me, the answer is not why not, although there's a bunch of us who agree with that statement.